Alright, what's up guys? We got the first snowfall here in Wisconsin, and me and the boys wanted to go pheasant hunting, so we're going to be testing our luck. I know these birds like to burrow up when it gets cold and snowy out, so you're going to find out if we get one or not. We know that they like to burrow down in thick brush or even under the snow, so it's hard to find them, but we're up for the challenge. We go out here into public land. Make sure you guys watch the entire video. It's a nice adventure here, a nice cold snowy day in Wisconsin, so you get to see the scenery. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, please leave a like and subscribe. It's nothing special, but it's a nice video to get out there for you guys while I'm trying to ice fish and get these videos up. But I hope you guys enjoy this. Oh my god, no! I guess maybe we make the big trek up the hill then. We'll just go this way and make the big trek up.
It's gonna suck, but...
Yeah, whatever. It'll warm us up if anything.
That was pottery.
And I guess you can have the middle. Watch out, these are all thorns. What? Yeah. Oh. I don't think we have to go all the way down. I feel like since it's so cold out, these birds probably aren't traveling too far.
Well, it depends where they were docked.
You want the middle or the end? And then just stop like right in line with that tree. That's right there or something. Yeah, you just get this end. It snows, pheasants either burrow themselves in the snow or they seek shelter in thick cover and just live off their fat reserve. So we really gotta find the thick spots. Yeah.
No, is it robin pheasant? No. Maybe robin, but not robin pheasant.
Alright. Who wants what?
I don't care.
And then you go to that end if you want. We'll just work a diagonal. Unless you want the middle or something. What do you want? Middle?
I don't give a piss.
Alright, whatever. That's what you get.
Hold up.
Hey!
What?
Move, bird! Kyle, just keep working straight. Just keep working straight. Like down this trail.
How?
What do you mean how?
Like this way or this way?
That way. This is where we shot the pheasant. Gable show you the ways. Self. They could be buried in the snow.
Let's just start shooting every.
That's what I was thinking about over there. Maybe that'll wake them up. Alright. Do we take on Death Hill?
Bro, I'm not walking up that.
You don't want to, or you do?
Hell no, I'll walk down it.
Alright, well then we'll walk up the trail.
Yeah.
We'll see where everybody's at and we'll walk that field if anything.
Yeah, nothing is worse than walking up that hill through the thick grass.
Buddy, look, there's no snow there though. They gotta be there. They gotta be over there, dude.
And we'll find them when we walk down it.
Oh, you wanna walk down it? Okay.
Yeah, that's what he just said. He said walk down it.
My hips are killing me with these heavy boots.
So we'll walk all the way back to the start, see where everybody's at. If nobody's in that field, we'll walk the entire field down the hill, and then we'll work back around this way again. We should just get the biggest group of people we can to go. Cover an entire field. The entire width of a field.
Do you know where they stocked it?
All over.
They don't specify.
Yeah, they don't tell you. Because otherwise they just have people following the trucks.
Like,
Well, I assume they go down this trail. And then that trail that we walked on the other side, to our right, I'm sure they go around there. Dude, that's what I was thinking when we were walking over there. I was like, dude, what's stopping me from making like a robot? Like just a big sphere? No, like a big sphere that just like you can, it's just so...
oh, like the Fortnite ball with the plunger on it?
Yeah, basically like that. But no, like a dog size one, not like you sit in. Like a dog size one. You just roll it around the field. It's like a remote control. It's heavy enough to where it can just like roll over the grass and stuff.
Well, money.
What's stopping us from making that?
Money.
I'm sure nobody's made a pheasant remote control before. I'm sure that stupid robot dog can't do that.
I'm pretty sure it can. You can just run through a field.
No, 'cause they would run into something and probably sink and fall over. They can't get back up after they've fallen over.
On the side.
Well, then you can have this end.
Okay, man.
You want middle or end? What are you doing going that way? We're going in and that way. I guess we could work it this way if we want and then go that way. But that'd be stupid. I'm going in. Do you want middle or end? Alright, looks like I got end. What the heck's taking so long?
Your brother found a 10-foot hole. He's in the thick of it. It's like straight thorns and now it's like stuck in it.
Where?
He's up in there.
Bruh.
He's coming.
Rescue mission. Rescue mission, rescue mission. Where? Huh?
The day.
What the heck's everybody following for?
I don't make the rules, I just follow.
Just stay right there, Kyle. Wake up! What?
I got some perfect thick stuff in front of me.
Come on! Why'd you just hit that?
I feel breaking through. Yeah, I got one too.
I got one too. Yeah, there's absolutely nothing. What? Where he's standing? No, where he's standing.
Oh yeah, I didn't really.
They just cracked the whole thing. All right, let's get the heck out of here. Let's go walk where we started. Best
Now you
case,
just gotta get squirrel for a fishing video.
best case scenario, pheasant flies right over us, across from us. Worst case scenario, it does too. Worst case scenario for him.
I was gonna say worst case scenario for him. There is no worst case scenario for us. Bro, if I see a squirrel and pop that fucker.
Best case scenario, both of you miss. And then I see.
Oh, I don't miss.
Yeah, you don't miss. He hit it first try. Flat, fast flying bird, 20 feet in the air.
Swear to God, if one does fly, I'll live.
Nah, bro, if you got a shot, you take it.
If
We need a bird.
Miss, because we're right next to each other.
Oh yeah.
So all the same shot.
Yeah, there's no shot they stocked us with a bunch of birds unless they did on Monday and everybody just
Yeah, probably.
went crazy. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like I said, it's something just a little for you guys. We may not have got anything, but it was an awesome time hanging out with the boys, going pheasant hunting, just exploring after a good snowfall. Just trying to get a video out for you guys. I'm trying to get better uploading videos. We got some ice fishing videos here coming up soon. But if you guys enjoyed today's video and you want to see future videos in ice fishing, hunting, camping, outdoor stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment on what kind of video you guys want to see next. But thank you for watching the entire video, and I appreciate all the support. I'll see you guys next time.